Rahim, and welcome back, dear students. And this is your teacher and Mr. Muhammad. Today, what we're gonna talk about is telephone conversation. Okay, and this is the speaking course, and this is lesson 6. All right. The first two lessons we talked about. The first one was the weather, and the second one was at the kitchen. Okay, and we talked about and we said that our conversations will be based on real life day-to-day interactions with other people. Alright, so today we have here is a conversation between two people. Okay, and here Lisa is having some problems with her exercise bike. Okay, and she's calling the sports center, okay, to have it repaired. Okay, so we have a conversation between Lisa and the technician, or the receptionist of the sports center. Okay, she is having a problem with her exercising bike. Okay, exercising bike is waa baskiladan lagu jimicsado ama lagu cararo ama baskiladan loo isticmaalo lagu sameeyo exercise kama jimicsiga. Alright, she has a problem with it and she wants to fix it. Repair means fix. She wants to fix it. So as usual, as we do, we're gonna start with the new expressions. Okay, we're gonna go down there and we're gonna talk about the new expressions, what they mean and how do you use them and all that kind of stuff. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna read what? We're gonna read the conversation later on. Alright, let's start. Okay, we're going down to the expressions. Okay, these are the expressions that we have and that we felt like that's kind of new for you guys. Okay, and alright, so let's start. Number one is may I help you? May I help you? You say it when you are at an office or you're providing services and you have a customer. If a customer calls or if a customer approaches you and you are the receptionist or you are the manager or you are the person who has anything to do with the business, okay, what you do here is you tell that person, may I help you? May I help you means can I help you? Alright, but in a more positive, polite and formal way. Okay, may I help you? Can I help you? May I help you? Aya formula kana edab badan. Alright, have problems with. Alright, have problems means I have problems with. Okay, waxaan ka cabanaya, something like that. And I have problems with. Let me connect you to. Okay, and as usually see, and the companies, they have a call center and they have different departments. So you call the general number, then that general number will divert you or will connect you to the department that you want. So in here, when you want to connect this person to another person, you can just say, let me connect you. One moment please. One moment. What does one moment mean here? That means just wait a second, give me a second. Okay, but you cannot say give me a second when you are being formal, when you are being a good businessman. You cannot say give me a sec or hold on. Okay, you will say one moment please. What kind of problems are you having? Okay, it's just an inquiry about how can we help this person, or how this person should be helped by the other person, which is he's offering his assistance and he is he's asking them about, or he's asking about that person about what kind of problems he is having, or what is he complaining about, what do you need help with. Okay, all of them, they are supplements that you can use instead of like what kind of problems you having. I'm not sure. Okay, it's like when you are not sure about something but you feel like something is wrong about it, but you're not sure what exactly there is. Okay, that means like I'm not sure. That means like I'm not clear about any of this. Display the different features. Display the different features. Display means like to show. Different, various. Different is gonna be various, and features means like characteristics or specifications. Okay, so like means like show me the different features, or like the various features, always the different features that you have there. That will be extra. Okay, be extra means like that would be like something that is not included in something else. Okay, it could be like extra about like something that is not usually supposed to be there. That's when you're using guys. Okay, that will be extra. Covered by warrant. Okay, covered by warrant means what? Covered, which like this thing has a warrant. Warrant means like a guarantee. Means like if you buy an item from me, you have 1 year of like a free repair from the supplier. For example, like I sell laptops. Okay, you buy a laptop from me. All right, if it accidentally breaks, okay, by itself, okay, if it's like software programming or maybe hardware malfunction and all that kind of stuff, the original company takes it back and gives you a new one. So like covered by warrant, anything that has a warrant, that means they're covered by warrant. Okay, warranty like offers two things. It offers what? Free repair, and it also can offer sometimes a total replacement of that item. About 15 months ago, okay, this one is easier, means like 15 months, and I was like that's like 1 year and 3 months. Right, ago means like before 15 months. Insurance coverage means like when your item is insured means like you pay insurance to a company. Okay, you pay them monthly, and instead of like that payment, or like and because of that payment, if something happens to your item or to your car, to your house, to your anything, okay, the company will help you to fix it, or they will fix it for you. That's why we call insurance covered. Means like anything that is protected by insurance, means like everything that happens to it will be dealt by the insurance company, or the insurance company will deal with it. Options means like you have like a lot of choices, various choices, like you can make up your mind, you can choose from a selection. Otherwise right now here we have an we have transition word, means like if you don't do that way, means like the alternative way is otherwise it could be like the alternative way is send out a reminder, means like send me like a reminder, means like something that is gonna remind me of something. Okay, something that would help me remember. Okay, confirm the appointment means like you have to like confirm means like make sure that something is there. That's called confirming or confirmation. Okay, appointment means like a meeting or like a promise that you made to another person that you will meet them. And accept credit card payment means like they take, or they are okay with a credit card payment. need services. Need services means like you need help, or like you need like a service, or like it could be in anywhere. Okay, service like anything that is untouchable. It could be just like a simple haircut, or it could be just like let's say like a heart transplant, which is more complicated. Alright, or just could be like a waiter bringing you some soda. That's what we call. And sorry, need service. Service is that's what we call service. Okay, if you need a service, means like you need someone to serve you. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help means like you say this when a person is being useful, or like you call this person and you asked him information and he gave you whatever he needed, and then you have to have a way of thanking that person. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Have a nice day means like have a good one, which is like yeah, another way of saying goodbye, which is like a formal way to say like have a nice day. That means like until later on. Okay, we came back to the conversation. This is the part that I read the whole conversation for the sake of pronunciation and for the sake of making you understand it better. And I will make a little bit compromises, and I'll explain in Somali though in some sections. Okay, and it will be like 30% of the video will be in Somali language if you guys really need it. Alright. Number one is Nancy. Okay, Nancy. Thank you for calling the sports center. May I help you? Okay, Nancy will be like the receptionist at the sports center, because like Lisa is the one who's having the problem. Okay, and she already said thank you for calling the sports center. May I help you? Alright, she thanked Lisa and she said like, may I help you? She needs like she knows like when a customer calls, he has an issue and all that kind of stuff, and that's the only reason that you will call to your service provider. You don't call your internet service provider for social call anyway. And I bought an exercise bike from your store last year, and I'm having problems with it. I need to have it repaired. Right. So like she said that she bought a bike from them last year, and she is seeing a lot of problems from it, and she just need them to fix her bike. And Nancy said like okay Nancy, let me connect you to the service department. One moment please. Alright, one moment please. Alright, so it means like I'll connect you to the service department, which like the repair and all that kind of stuff. People will do it. And one moment means like wait 1 moment please. Okay, which like a more polite way of telling the person to wait. And we have Kieran, service department. This is Kieran. How can I help you? Alright, so like she put her through to Kieran. Kieran is what? The service department. The service department. And this one was in the calling center. Okay, and Karen department, sorry, service department, this is Karen. How can I help you? She is really the same question here. I bought an exercise bike from you last year and I need it to be repaired. Okay, Lisa made the same statement, which like I bought a bike, it has problems and I need it to be repaired. Karen, what seems to be the problem? Okay, what seems to be the problem? Seems to be the problem means like it could mean two things. It could mean like okay, what is causing the problem, or like what kind of problems do you see, or what kind of problems are you suffering from? I'm not very sure, but I think there is a problem with the bike's computer console, because like the LCD screen does not display different features. Okay, she said I'm not very sure. Okay, she's not very sure means like she's not completely or entirely like 100%. And I think there's a problem with the bike's computer console. Alright, so like there is the computer system of the bike, there is something wrong with it, because like the display is not showing different features. Okay, different features means like khiyaaraad kala duwan ama waxyaalo kala duwan ay noqonaysaa markaadan hubinaya isticmaalaysa shay markaadan hubin boqolkiiba boqol ayaad oran karaysaa I'm not very sure. Okay, sidoo kaleeto computer console means like the computer little thing or the computer chip or the computer part. Okay, the LCD screen, that's an LCD means like the flat little screen that is there. Alright, that comes with the like with the running bikes and treadmills and all that kind of stuff. And nothing was on when you push start. And Karen asked, and nothing was on means like it was completely dark. Nothing was on means like waxba loogama jeedo. Okay, and when you push the start menu, okay, when you push start menu, nothing was there or was on means like shaashada waxba kuma qornayn. And Mia, he's asking shaashada waxba kuma qornayn Mia markaad bilowday start. Lisa said nothing. Karen say, what's your bike model? What's your bike model? Okay, what is the bike model? Model means like they have like every year there is a new version that comes out, and they have two different like things most of the time. Alright, so Lisa told her what kind of bike she had, which is like it is 126 upright Ford bike. Alright, which is the model of the bike. Karen said, I can send a technician out there to take a look at your bike, and it will cost you $75 for labor. Also, you have to replace any parts that will be extra. Alright, so in here ereygan soo aragnay isticmaalo maxay? Sorry, that would be extra. That will be extra. Okay, I can send a technician. Technician means like the mechanic. I'm a technician. Okay, to take a look at your bike, and it will cost you $75 for the labor. Labor means like gacanta iyo leerada ama shaqaalaha ama qofka shaqeynaya ayaa $70 ka qaadan doona. Also, if we have to replace any parts, okay, if you have to replace any parts and you like want to change something or like something doesn't work in it, that will be extra. That will be extra means extra what dheeri waxa $75 shaqaalaha kaliya ayaa leh oo qofka shaqeynaya ayaa leh, laakiin wixii laga bedelaa will be extra means like way ka baxsanta xisaabta oo $75 way ka dheeri ku noqonaysa yani. Okay, $75 waa qofka gacanta qabanayo kaliya waa that's it for labor. Alright, Liz, that is expensive. Isn't the repair cost covered by warranty? Okay, we have here what? Covered by warranty. Covered by warranty means like this thing isn't it covered. Covered means like guaranteed that would be there. Okay, sorry, covered means like paid by the insurance, by the warrant. Okay, for example, like that, just like I explained, you have a warrant for everything. For example, if you buy a phone, you have a warrant of 1 year. Okay, if something that is not by you happens to that thing, the company will take it back and replace with a new one. Alright, so she is just saying like, okay, you guys should fix everything for me because like I bought it like 1 year ago and I have a warrant. And Karen, when exactly did you purchase your bike? About 15 months. When exactly? Exactly means like the exact time, the specific time that you purchased your bike. Okay, when was it? She said about 15 months ago. I mean, it's like 1 year and 3 months. 15 months. Like the year is 12 months, so plus 3. Okay, Karen, I'm sorry. The standard warrant covers a year. Did you buy extra warrant coverage at the time of purchase? Great. So like Karen is saying that he's sorry because like the standard covers only a year. Okay, the warrant only covers means like if something happens to you in that year, you will get everything for free. But right now, it's 15 months. That means like you are out of like the limit, the limitation. Alright, and she asked her like if she bought extra warranty stuff, means like something that's extra that wasn't there. Alright, or like you need like maybe 2 years extension. Lisa said no, I did not. Are there any other options besides paying $75 for repair? I mean, it's like, is there another way? Because like 75 is so expensive. Karen said, I am afraid not. I'm afraid it's equivalent, or like it can take I'm afraid. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm afraid. I'm afraid not means like there's no other way. You don't have any other options. You only have one option, which is pay $75 if you need your thing fixed. Lisa, I guess I'll just have to pay for the repair. When can you send a technician? She said like, okay, I'll pay. There's no other option. Okay, when can you send him? Next Thursday, November the 23rd, 2 p.m. available. Otherwise, the next date has to be December the 8th, 10 a.m. Alright, so like now this is the schedule of the work. Okay, when the person can be available, the technician guy. I take this coming Thursday. Okay, this coming Thursday means like next Thursday. Will you send out a reminder? Okay, can you remind me? Okay, of the appointment. Alright, Karen, Karen, somebody will give you a call in the evening before to confirm the appointment. Alright, that means like a person will call you. That's the reminder. Okay, we will call you to confirm, to make sure that the appointment is set. Means like it's set accordingly. Will the technician accept credit card payment? Okay, will he take credit card payment? Yes, he will. By the way, you can buy an extra warranty coverage now if you want to. Alright, so means like she offered her another like warrant for like that would cover like if this thing breaks like 10 weeks later. Okay, she still needs a coverage. Okay, markan wuxuu soo bandhigaa maxay Karen, and he would accept. Laakiin hadda ayaad iibsan kartaa damaanada extra ama damaanad dheeri warranties. damaanadana maxay shirkad markay shay damaanad qaado ay taado shaygan hadduu jabo oo adoona wax ku sameynaa muu cildoobo anaga ka celinayno kale. Okay, laakiin hadda marka lagu hagaajiyo ayaad iibsan kartaa damaanad cusub. Alright, see marka uu hadhow kaa jabo ay shirkadu bixiso fadlo. Lisa, how much does it cost? That means like she asked for the price, which is like, how much is it then? And Karen, $50 for 1 year warrant, and $75 for 2 years, and $100 for 3 years. That means like all prices call all the prices of the warrant. Okay, 1 year 50, 2 years 75, 3 years 100. Okay, it could lesser whenever you move up. Does it cover both labor and materials? Please ask. It covers everything. Do you want to sign up for it? Oh, I don't know. Okay, Karen, it covers everything. Means like wax walba way ka faqraynaysaa dad iibsato damaanadan cusub, like including the material and the labor, both of them. Do you want to sign up? Sign up means like join for it. Okay, you want to join that kind, or you want to buy that kind of like and warrant. Okay, at least it's reluctant. Okay, Karen, it will be good for you. We will send a technician anytime the bike needs service. Okay, it doesn't matter how many times you call us in a year. Okay, also, if we cannot fix the problem, we will provide with a new exercise bike. We'll provide you with a new exercise bike. Okay, Karen wuxuu sharxayaa like or he explains like how the warranty works. I mean, it's like every time you call, you'll be there. Okay, okay, every time you call will be there. Okay, marka hore wuxuu lahaa maxay maalmo khaas ayuu qabanayso ma laakiin markaad iibsato like the extra and warrant ama damaanada extra iibsato maalin walba ku imanayaan bishiina mar waqtiga doonto ay ku imanayaan mar inta 10 jeer soo karaactii kala doesn't matter. And teeda kaletana if we cannot fix it they will provide you with a new bike. Okay, look at more than they will give her a new one. Lisa, okay, I want to sign up for 2-year warranty program. Okay, and Karen, I think it's a good investment. Are you going to pay credit card now or do you want me to send you a bill? Alright, and you want to do your credit card means like some kind of electronics like card, or do you want a bill means like do you want a check or a check, or that is gonna say like an invoice which is gonna demand you to pay something. Okay, so she said like send me a bill please, and she picked the other option. And which is like one last thing before I let you go, I need your address please. Alright, is the end of the conversation, which is like before I hang up or before you go or before you like end the phone call. Okay, can I have your address? Okay, Lisa gives away the address, and okay, it is all set. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Alright, so like when you're a salesman you also have to like talk to the person through it and ask him if he needed something else though. And that's what Karen is doing here. Lisa said no thanks, and no thank you for your help. Okay, thank you for your help, for your assistance, for your service. It could be anything that you can put here or when you're thanking a person. And Karen, you're welcome, have a nice day. Alright, so like we've seen here like the conversation, and we also have seen like the new vocabulary. So like right now just read and listen to whatever I've said. If you have a question about anything you can ask me later on through the Telegram and through the WhatsApp inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh students.